Hello, so today we're going to show you some more advanced settings for the joystick mode. So the first thing you want to do is to go into device and printers, select one of the capture gloves that you may have with the right click and go into game controller settings. From here choose the one that you want to set up. It's better to have only on the one that you want to set up because otherwise they're going to show multiple ones with the same name and we'll need to search for the one that you are actually want to calibrating. So we have only our right glove on, we selected, go into into properties, and from here we have our axis test. So to do this test and to set it up and calibrate it properly, we need to go here and start our emulation. We can either do it by pressing this button or by pressing the K key. So we're going to press this button. Now our glove is working, and now we can see that it's calibrated not correctly. So the first thing we want to do is calibrate this. So we go into settings, calibrate, next, next. At this point what we want to do is move our hand doing circles with our hand. So it calibrates the X and Y axis that we have set up in the basic tutorial here on YouTube. Once we have done some few movements, we place our hand straight and then just press the button next. Press finish, and now we see that our crosshair is in the middle. If I'm moving my hand up, our crosshair is going down. If I'm going down, the cross is going up. If I rotate to my left, it will go to the left. If I rotate to the right, it will go to the right. So here we have now our glove is fully calibrated. We apply this new calibration, press OK, and OK over here. So now the glove is fully calibrated into joystick mode, and it will properly function inside of your game. So thank you for watching, and till the next video.